A surprising invention. Origins of the microwave oven.
The microwave oven's story begins in 1945, when engineer Percy Spencer discovered that radar waves could heat food. Working with magnetrons for radar systems, Spencer noticed a chocolate bar melted in his pocket. This accidental find led to the first commercial microwave in 1947 and set the stage for a kitchen revolution that changed how people prepare meals.
How microwaves heat your food.
Microwave ovens use electromagnetic waves called microwaves, which excite water molecules inside food. As these molecules vibrate rapidly, friction generates heat that cooks the food from the inside out. This process can quickly and efficiently heat or cook items, unlike traditional ovens that mostly heat food from the outside in.
Key components. What's inside a microwave oven?
At the core of every microwave oven is the magnetron, a device that generates microwaves. Other crucial parts include a waveguide to direct the microwaves, a turntable to rotate food for even heating, and a protective enclosure to keep the energy contained. Together, these components safely deliver fast, convenient cooking.
Microwave safety and misconceptions.
Microwave ovens are designed with multiple safety features, including interlocking doors and shielding to prevent radiation leaks. Common misconceptions, such as the idea that microwaves make food radioactive, are unfounded. Microwaves only cause molecules to vibrate and heat up, a natural process with no lasting effect on the food safety.
Changing daily life. The impact of microwave ovens.
Since their introduction, microwave ovens have transformed kitchens worldwide. They've made meal preparation faster and more accessible, fitting into busy lifestyles. From reheating leftovers to popping popcorn, microwaves have become a household staple, highlighting the lasting influence of scientific discovery on everyday life.